What's the one thing that stops you from growing? It's not your service, it's the friction of booking it. You need a scheduling app, but you're facing a choice. Calendly, the meeting master, or Square Appointments, the payment powerhouse. Which one is actually the smarter investment for your service business? We're diving deep into the features and pricing to give you the honest answer. Let's be clear about their primary goals. Calendly excels at one thing: meeting coordination. It's the king of eliminating email back and forth for one-on-one or group meetings. Its interface is clean, minimal, and fantastic for sales, recruitment, or professional consults. Then you have Square Appointments. This is an all-in-one business management system built around a powerful point of sale. Square's strength is seamlessly integrating booking with transactions, making it the favorite for brick-and-mortar service businesses like salons and fitness studios. But what if you need the customization of a service tool without being locked into one payment processor? Trafft helps manage service workflows and works with many payment gateways, such as Stripe, PayPal, Molly, AuthorizeNet, and even Square. So you're not forced into a single processor. It's built to handle the complexity of services, not just basic meeting times. The difference becomes critical when you look at staffing and cost to scale. This is the first place you'll find a massive hidden fee. Let's talk about team size on the free plan. Calendly's free plan is strictly for personal use. You get one active event type. Paid seats start at roughly $10 to $16 per seat per month when billed annually. Square's free tier works well for a single location and a solo operator. Multi-location or premium features are on paid tiers. Here is the clear price advantage for small teams. Trafft's Forever Free plan supports up to 5 staff members and offers unlimited appointments. This makes Trafft the instant, cost-effective choice for a small team or agency looking to scale without paying a per-user fee immediately. Calendly focuses on one-off and meeting-driven scheduling. Square offers strong service-oriented controls like cancellation policies and staff rules, as it's part of its POS product. Trafft takes that service focus and adds more flexibility. You can easily add extras, discounts, or special intake questions to any booking. This app goes beyond just scheduling people. You can assign and manage your rooms, equipment, or assets, so you never double book a treatment table or a consultation room. The biggest functional difference is payment processing. Square Appointments is simplest if you already run Square POS, as it's tightly coupled to Square Payments. Calendly can accept payments via Stripe or PayPal, but those integrations require you to be on one of their paid plans. Trafft offers superior gateway choice and payment features. Trafft supports multiple gateways: Stripe, PayPal, Molly, Authorize.net, and Square, and handles key financial features like deposits, automated invoicing, and recurring payment cycles all within its system. This gives you financial flexibility and a complete revenue workflow that Calendly simply doesn't compete with on its own. So, which one is right for you? If you're a solo rep who only needs simple one-off meetings, Calendly is likely the fastest option. If you run a physical location and already use Square, Square Appointments gives a smooth POS and booking combo. But if you're a growing multi-staff service business that wants a system capable of complex service logic, a cost-effective scaling path with that 5-user free tier, and the freedom of multi-gateway payments, Trafft is worth testing. It's the all-in-one solution that truly supports your growth, not just your first meeting. Ready to see how Trafft's 5-user free plan stacks up in practice? Click the link below to start your free account and see the features we discussed today. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video, where we break down Trafft versus Acuity and Doodle.